Hi, I'm Denise from MB Stone. Today I want to tell you about our stone identification kit. This is a kit that we worked on probably for a couple of years with Karen Kirk, who is a geologist, who created a great flow chart that actually breaks it down step by step, how to help you identify the hardness, if it's acid sensitive stone. This will come in really handy for speccing a stone, understanding what you're working with, what kind of diamonds you'll need if you are a restoration professional. So we're going to unbox this. I'm going to slide this over. So the first thing you're going to see is your book that tells you exactly what steps to take, why you're doing what you're doing, what the hardness is, what scratches you're looking for. The next item is the flow chart, and both of these created by Karen Kirk is very detailed. They even ask you the questions, yes, no, which way do you want to go from there. Really helps you understand the hardness of the stone that you're working on. And then it kind of even gives you a name. I mean, I know there's lots of names now for all the stones, but this will actually tell you what the mineral composition makeup is. I have a magnifying glass. This will tell you about the composition of the stone. One of the other things here is our hydrochloric acid. This is going to help you determine if it's an acid-sensitive stone. That's going to give you your marble, limestone, travertine. So you have to know if they're working with the coating or the stone itself. So the razor blades will help you determine that. And then this is a glass tile that's included. This was created more for a quartzite to see if it scratches glass. One of the other things you can do to find out the hardness is, of course, the picks. So if you don't want to use if you don't have a spare piece or a corner of the tile, you can just use your picks to determine the hardness of the stone. That'll tell you kind of what you're working with. So this is our stone identification kit, and it's available at your local MB Stone distributor.